Hello everyone, today let's talk about the safety oil seal. This seal made of rubber and this color is a blue color. This size is internal diameter is 83 and external diameter is 100. The sinker is 9. This is 9. And it has many volume features. The first one is vulcanized at a low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water thickened skeleton. This seals with skeleton and it has very strong. This is applicable to heavy truck parts, and we have many type parts for different auto model, such as we also can provide the customers the service. We can customize this size, this color, this material, this type. We all can customize it. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.